Hello, gardening enthusiasts. Today, I've got an exciting and eco-friendly project to share with you. We'll be starting our adorable teddy bear sunflowers indoors using something you might not expect: toilet paper rolls. It's not just a fun experiment, it's a fantastic way to get a jump start on the growing season while reducing waste. Plus, it's a budget-friendly option. By starting teddy bear sunflowers indoors, you get a head start on the growing season. This means your teddy bear sunflowers will be more mature and ready to bloom when the outdoor conditions are favorable. Let's dive in. To start off, you'll need some high-quality teddy bear sunflower seeds. And of course, our star ingredient, toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls. These rolls hold a nice amount of soil, so you can grow to good size, strong, healthy teddy bear sunflowers seedlings before transplanting them to the garden. And you will need good quality general-purpose potting soil that supports good drainage but retains moisture. Fill the toilet paper rolls with pre-moistened, good quality potting soil. Fill them up halfway. These rolls are surprisingly efficient in holding a nice amount of soil. Add 2 to 3 seeds in each paper roll. This gives us a better chance of having robust seedlings later on. Cover the seeds gently with additional soil, almost reaching the top. It's like tucking them in for a cozy nap. Lightly water the soil. You want it moist but not overly damp. This step is crucial for germination. After watering, find a bright windowsill or any frost-free location that receives plenty of sunlight. Remember to water gently when the soil is dry. And be patient, the magic is about to happen. In about 10 days, you'll witness the magic as your teddy bear sunflowers pop out. Once they've grown tall and strong, it's time for the next step. Harden off your sunflowers by gradually introducing them to the outdoor environment. Once they're ready, transfer them to your garden or a larger container, and watch them continue to flourish. And there you have it, a simple, affordable, and eco-friendly way to start your teddy bear sunflowers indoors. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, everyone!